All right, so I'm doing things a little differently this week, and I'm trying to put the directions directly on the assignment, so hopefully more people will watch that. So what you're going to do today is your step 4 is your rough draft. Now we're not going to do a rough draft of your whole essay. We're just going to do a rough draft of your topic paragraph. All right. So you can choose a cluster, or you can look at your outline, whichever you choose, and then we're going to come up with 5 to 7 sentences, for that paragraph. So here's my clustering that I did. I can look at that and I can get some examples. I might go over here and do responsibility. I might do this new experience, or I can go here to my outline, and I can see that in my outline I've got my hook, some significant information, and a thesis sentence. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take this information from my introduction paragraph, and I'm going to go over here and put it in my rough draft. Okay, so that'll go here in this rough draft topic. Now you'll notice that there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You don't have to do those today. All I want you to do this week is your rough draft of your topic paragraph. So I've come down here and I've done my rough draft of my topic paragraph. It's 5 to 7 sentences. It has capital letters. It has commas and periods. It has everything that I should have. It's got subjects, it's got verbs, it's got all those things in there. And so once I'm done with that, that's my rough draft, and that's all I need to do. And then submit that. We will be using this paper to do more rough drafts in the upcoming weeks. So be sure to keep it in your Google Classroom where you can find it. And that's it.